Good morning, guys. We are in Costa Maya, and today, for the first time ever, we are doing a deep sea fishing excursion.
Isn't that gonna be fun? I'm excited.
Yeah, so excited. I haven't been deep sea fishing since I was like 9 or 10 years old. So
I haven't been since I was born.
Since you were deep sea fishing at birth?
Yeah, at birth. My mom went deep sea diving and we finished.
Well, I'm a little bit nervous because the ocean right here at the dock looks really rough. So hopefully we can still go. The weather forecast says it's supposed to be thunderstormy today. So far it doesn't look like that, so that's a plus. Today's excursion was booked through fishingbooker.com, and the website made it super easy to search through a number of charters in the Costa Maya, Mahahual area. The tour company we fished with was La Diosa del Mar Snorkeling and Fishing, and if you want to book with them direct, visit them on Facebook by simply searching their name. They offer private snorkeling and fishing excursions. After a 10-minute, $8 taxi ride, we arrived in the beach of Mahahual and were ready for our 3-hour fishing adventure. Be prepared to get your feet wet, as you do need to board the vessel in the water. For me, I wore my water shoes, and Betsy walked in barefoot with her pants rolled up. The boat ride out to sea was expected to be about 30 minutes, but right away the water was rough and we were getting tossed around in the little boat. So we were given the option to fish closer to shore.
I made an executive decision to fish in the bay. The waves are too big. I already was getting a queasy tummy. I don't want to be sick. I want to enjoy my time. So we're in the bay. And the last time I was fishing when I was 10 years old, I got a hook in the neck. So I hope that doesn't happen today.
You need to use the cable because we have some barracudas, mackerel, guajo. Take to the line.
Oh, we don't want that.
Which one's the most delicious?
So the most we have here, more common, is mackerel, kingfish, snapper.
We cruised around for about 2 hours trolling the lines behind the boat, all while cracking a couple of Dos Equis beers each. We were wondering if we were ever going to catch anything when all of a sudden, Mike, hold my beer.
Oh, it's jumping. You see it, babe?
It's gone. It's not tight anymore. You can feel it. It's not easy to reel.
Our first nibble, about 2 hours in, we just said we might not catch anything, and then bang, we got a little tug there. He's pulling it back in. He's gonna put a new bait. Well,
Okay, you're the next reeler because maybe I'm a bad reeler.
okay.
A few moments later, we got another bite, and this time it was Mike's turn to reel. Don't let it go like me.
Yes, it's my turn, and so far, we're doing better than the first bite. By the way, I don't have any GoPro footage from the camera on my hat, because the following day, I lost it while scuba diving in Roatan. So it's forever resting in Davy Jones's locker several hundred feet underwater. This was a bit of a struggle. After about 5 minutes of slowly reeling it in, inch by inch, it would prove to be stronger than the action of my rod. My spool was letting out the line that I had already reeled in, but I was determined. I wasn't going to let this hog get away. Not after 2.5 hours of trolling.
Come on, Mike, you can do it. there's no breaks. Come on, Mike. Do you want me to?
The fight was back and forth. I would reel in, and the fish would spool back out. But eventually, I would bring it close enough to the boat.
Oh, it's huge!
Yes.
Oh my goodness! I don't think I could have done that.
What is it?
This is snapper.
Snapper, yeah.
It's so huge!
Excellent.
I'm so sorry, fish.
Have a snapper for
Estamos
lunch.
una verga.
Look, it's barely caught on his nose too, or his mouth. 1, 2, 3. Tequila! Woo! Caught a snapper.
Wanna take it from here is one. That one.
Poor fish.
Alright.
I'm not cut out for this. I don't think I'm cut out for this life.
Celebratory beer. Another Dos Equis for catching my snapper.
Yeah, 100%.
Cheers, babe. Okay. Oh, it broke off.
Yeah, because it's big barracuda.
That was from the Barracuda?
Yes.
Wow. Look at the bite marks.
Crazy.
Wow.
Pro tip: don't name the fish Ralph like I did as it was lifted into the boat. I inadvertently gave myself an emotional attachment just moments before it was killed. But don't worry, Ralph's sacrifice was not in vain. He would feed us as well as some of the locals here in town. Oh, and this cute cat.
We do have some fish on the way, tacos, but we ordered some Dos Equis to go with it.
Cheers, man. I'm working on my scavenger hunt. It's cold.
Cold. The ones on the boat were a little bit warm, but that's okay.
We still
They
drink
were
them.
still quaffable.
Transcendent at best.
Yeah.
Ah, I got mine wet. Thank you.
Wow. There's our catch. Oh, she's giving us hot sauce.
Thank you, Ralph.
Tortillas fresh. They look like it.
No, they're not.
It's good. It's really good. Okay.
This salsa is very special, but it's very, very hot. Spicy.
Oh,
Now?
pardon me.
Okay, this habanero.
Habanero. Oh.
Is that good?
And just like that, we are back in the port.
Not all the way.
Another taxi ride, another $8, and we are here. Well, that's it for today's adventure in Costa Maya, Mexico. We'll be back again this October for a group excursion. In that visit, we'll be jumping aboard a party boat with food, drinks, snorkeling, and more. If you'd like to join us, click on the link in the description to board our Halloween Group Cruise 2025. And if you can't make it then, don't worry. There's a 2026 group as well.
Thanks for watching, Beaches. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.